One of the key features in any BI tool is to be able to administration effectively. So here we have the Elegant JBI admin section. You click on this tab, enter, and you see there are multiple options for actually for the administration for the Elegant JBI. So first let's look at the configuration. So you can set your email settings, your email templates. You can even upload images which are going to be used as part of your form for display purposes. Then you can work around with the look and the feel of the product. So you can apply various kinds of themes which are there. Then let's look at the data sources. So you can have various kinds of databases. So you can add various kinds of database profiles, add multiple kinds of sources, and you can even add CSV formats onto your as your data sources. So you can get the data from flat files, text files, and then actually load them onto as your data source providers. Then let's come down to the cube management. Here we have a cube repository. So this is the administration. So you can look at the profile, you can rebuild the cube, you can create cubes, you can create linked cubes. A linked cube is linking of the multiple data providers. You can have two different cubes and link them together. So say I take one Redx and I take the second cube here, and instead of a join I can do a union. I say next, and then simply select the columns which are required and then create the cube. I can even do dimension mapping. That means this particular dimension name has got what all dimension columns under the same. So this will basically help you to do the drill downs. Retrieval parameters become important if what are the parameters which I want at the reporting level to come out. I can even define user defined columns. I can have column access permissions, who will have what kind of access. I can even have data access permissions. That means which kind of user will have what kind of cube permissions. Then I come down to repository. I can create folders here. So they have created various folders as part of the repository here. And with each of these folders, you can actually see what are the profiles, what has been the activity associated with it. Then let's go down to the scheduler. Let's look at the tasks involved with it. You can actually do scheduling tasks, you can schedule reports, you can run your jobs at certain specific times. You can set up your general settings. Then the other factors are the securities and the permissions. So in this I would like to concentrate specifically on users and groups. So I can add a group. I can look at the roles. So I can add a role here. I can look at the directory server environment also, which will help in the Windows authentications. Cube level security. Then there are various logs which I can do. So you have various like auditor logs, application events, schedule events, and so forth. So all in all, Elegant JBI offers an administration feature which is very simple to use, which can be easily configured, which does not require very advanced training, and which has got by and large almost all the features which are required by good business intelligence tools. So in case you're interested, please do get in touch with us and we'll arrange for further demonstration. Thank you.